Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for engineering semester exams. First, gather all your course materials, including lecture notes, textbooks, and any assignments. Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject. Identify the core topics and areas where you feel less confident, as these will require more attention. This structured approach helps you manage your time effectively and reduces last-minute stress. Once organized, dive into active learning. Don't just read, actively solve problems. Work through examples from your textbooks and, if available, past exam papers. Try explaining difficult concepts in your own words, perhaps even to an imaginary audience. This method reveals gaps in your knowledge. Collaborating with classmates can also provide new perspectives and help clarify tricky subjects, making your study sessions more productive. As you progress, consolidate your knowledge. Create concise summary sheets of essential formulas, definitions, and critical concepts for each subject. Regularly test yourself using flashcards or by attempting self-made quizzes. Pay close attention to any mistakes you made on previous assignments or quizzes. Understanding these errors is crucial for improvement. This phase is about reinforcing what you've learned and identifying any remaining weak points. Finally, prepare for exam day itself. Prioritize getting a good night's sleep. A rested mind performs much better. Arrive at the exam venue early, equipped with all required materials, such as your approved calculator and multiple pens. Before you begin writing, take a moment to read all exam instructions thoroughly. Understanding the format and requirements can prevent unnecessary errors and help you manage your time effectively during the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.